your choice. Oyinmomo, from God, of course, non-stop, it's long. Oh yeah, now. Everybody, I'm decided.
To follow Jesus. I am decided to follow Jesus. I am decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back.
So you don't know. So you don't know. Say no, no. Say no, no. We won the world. We spent the billions. We spent for Jesus. So we shift the culture. We heal the sick. We raise the dead. Transform the nation. So we hear well done. I said we won the world. We spent the billions. We spent for Jesus. So we shift the culture. We raise the sick. We raise the dead. Transform the nation. So we hear well done. Let me try something. Troops, just follow me. Make I try. I believe someone will know this song. I just make I try. Gaisebaba. I knew it. Gaisebaba. Agbára. Gaisebaba. That's it. Gaisebaba. Yeah. Gaisebaba. Yeah. Agbára. Now say after me, just try. But put some bounce to it. Try if you can follow me. Choose. Say, Jesus, I want you. I need you. I'm all yours. Come and say, Jesus, I want you. I need you. I'm all yours. Put some stars with it, Jesus. I want you. I need you. I'm all yours. Let's get to the song. Are you ready to sing with me? Yeah. Cause the Spirit is upon. It's upon. Elijah left. This man normal left. Cause the Spirit is upon. It's upon. I want to hear you sing the song, yeah? So if you know it, sing it along with me. So that those who don't will join the wave. Elijah left. It's my normal left. So what we're saying is, I want to Ferrari long. I want to Ferrari long. We're outrunning Ferraris. I want to Ferrari long. So everybody can say the same thing now, yeah? Elijah left. He's our normal left. So we're more than able. Cause the Spirit is upon. It's upon. Alright. Nice one. Real quick. Now, someone said by Gaise. People are saying it like, Ikoyi kids. I need to say like, you know those cities that you are calling from A, like Chike, like Jampati, like Abuleba, like Keson, those areas, you know, even me, in a way, I'm the street, in a way. Alright? So I need that vibe. Say by Gaise. Say by Gaise. So all you have to sing in this song is just by Gaise. That's the next record. So it's like call and response, and I want you to join me in it. So, Oluwa Bami Sorona. That's the vibe. Ohunkóhun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ now. The thing for your life where I go do. The thing. No, mi ò lè gbàgbé. Òṣìlá máa gbàgbé bó ṣe lyrics. Alright? So let's get into it.
Yes, you must be
It won't make sense, so where am I going to? I've already gone too far. Who knows the verse very well?
Oh yes. Hey. Oh God. DJ Perfect. Follow Gaisebaba, tell him to lay hands on you. How can you move from following Jesus to oblate in the same minute? Who does that? I want to see you in church tomorrow, brother. Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, DJ Perfect does do something that is imperfect. Oh my God.